Fluke Digital Multimeter has auto and manual ranging for maximum flexibility and has an annual bar graph for fast changing or unstable signals. It measures up to 10A, 20A for up to 30 seconds as well as up to 1000 volts AC and DC. Fluke Corporation is the world leader in the manufacture, distribution, and service of electronic test tools and software. Since its founding in 1948, Fluke has helped define and grow a unique technology market, providing testing and troubleshooting capabilities that have grown to mission-critical status in manufacturing and service industries. From industrial electronic installation, maintenance, and service, to precision measurement and quality control, Fluke tools help keep businesses and industries around the globe up and running. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Meter hanging kit. Material nylon, plastic, color black, for use with Fluke Digital Multimeters. Other Fluke meters features solves almost any hanging and positioning problem you may face. The universal hanger allows you to hang your meter on nails, hooks, and many other objects, compatible with many Fluke instruments. Wrist strap, yes. Includes 9-in hook and loop strap, hook hanger, magnetic hanger, general purpose hanger. Manufacturer's length 1 year. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Accurate frequency measurements on adjustable speed drives due to Fluke design low-pass filter. Number 2. Built-in thermometer allows temperature measurements without a separate thermometer. Number 3. Peak Min Max allows capture of intermittence as fast as 250 US. Number 4. Dual display resolution. 6,000 or 20,000 counts, lets you see small changes in displayed readings. Cat 3 1000 volts. Cat IV 600 volts safety rated. Number 5. For Fluke 52, 73, 80 IV, 180 series multimeters. Number 6. Solves almost any hanging and positioning problem you may face. Number 7. Use hanger attachment to hang meter on hook, nail, or wire. Number 8. Kit includes 9 inches hook and loop strap, universal hanger clip, hook hanger for non-magnetic surfaces, and a strong magnet, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.